Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 9 SE, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find home screen and wallpaper. As you can see right here, we've got the wallpaper section, so simply enter, and here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from, so we can choose it from our own gallery, from the recommended ones, my wallpapers, natural art, and so on. What's more, if you will have the internet connection and also a HUAWEI account, you will be able to tap on more wallpapers, and you will be able to explore much more options, so you will be able to buy them or simply download for free. But let me get back to the, let's say, defaultly installed wallpapers, and let me pick, for example, natural. And as you can see here, we've got again some options from which we can choose. So all you have to do in order to check the preview is to simply tap on the wallpaper you'd like to check. If you'd like to, you can tap on this eye icon in the right upper corner, and it will simply show you the preview, let's say, how it will look like after applying, how it will look like with the icons and so on. So that's quite a cool option. What's more, if you want to, you can tap on this blur icon and just change the level of the blurriness. You can blur it much more just by going to the right, or make it much sharper just by going to the left. It's up to you. And if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply. Right now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I think I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And let's wait a second. And as you can see, we just automatically got back to this album. So let's go back to the home page, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied. Let's check also the lock screen, and the same situation, it is visible right here. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your HUAWEI Nova 9 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.